Okay, my fellow guys, nilikuwa nimewafunza features of MTB. Katika hizo features of MTB kuna kitu inaitwa kama yellow cabs. Yellow cabs means no stopping, no picking, no overtaking, no change of lanes. Na bado kuna kitu hapo inaitwa one way traffic. One way traffic is good for you to know the meaning of one way traffic. One way traffic. This is a road where all vehicle move in one direction. Na kuna watu pia wanauliza kuna white line, kuna white dotted lines. White dotted line it means you can overtake, and you can overtake if the road is clear. You can overtake if the road is clear. Okay? Na kuna hii inaitwa white continuous line. White continuous line means you are not allowed to overtake. You are not allowed to overtake. Okay? Kuna yellow continuous line. Yellow continuous line means no overtaking, no picking, no stopping. Okay? Ama no change of lanes. Thank you very much, na keep on subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Okay? Na itazidi kuwasomesha pia niwasomeshe mambo na flash parking na angle parking. Kama hujashika vizuri nitakuja nirudi hizo zote, because nataka kila mtu apite exam vizuri kabisa. Thank you very much guys. Tuko pamoja, together as one. Okay? Any question unaweza niuliza kwa comment section hapo chini, ni kujibu ndio tuweze kusonga pamoja. Thank you.